Hello guys. People are still joining, so let's wait for a few more minutes.
Zenith, I think we can start around the 300 vanduttaanga.
Yeah, okay, so 311 is an incredible count. So let's start right now. Hello everyone, this is Zina from CSC, Chennai Institute of Technology. So today we are here for the Hackett Orientation Program. Here we have with us our head of the department, Dr. S. Pavitra. So let me call upon our head of the department to unlatch this event.
Thank you, Zenith. Yeah, very good morning, here. As all of you are aware that hereafter we are going to conduct the Codathon competition for all the CATMs. Okay, this year we are going to conduct this Codathon competition. So the main objective of this event is the logical ability of the students, and also you will be able to crack all the competitions and placement as well. Okay, you can learn any programming language with because you need to know only syntax and commands. Okay, but to develop the application, you need to use your logical thinking. Okay, for that purpose, you have to participate more and more like this. Okay. This is one of the steps to improve your logical thinking. So request all the students to participate in this event and make use of this. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now our Sendil sir is here, so I'll call upon our Sendil sir. So do you want to talk about this Hackett?
Yeah, okay. Hello guys, very good morning to you all. Happy to connect with you after a very long time. This session is exclusively for first year students, and other second, third year final students are also watching this. See, this time we are organizing an in-house coding competition just to ignite you all to take part in the competition. See, CAT is one of the very active college in participating all the competitions happening across the globe. We have I have my own team joined here. Everyone is a winner here. I think you guys already met them. They already shared their experiences and with you all about their winning, how they win and other things. See, this orientation session is especially to ignite you all whoever not yet took part in any competition. சார் என்ன சார் எப்போ பார்த்தாலும் காம்படிஷன் சொல்லிட்டே இருக்கிறீங்க, காம்படிஷன் பெஸ்ட் லேர்னிங் சொல்றீங்க, இவங்களாம் வின் பண்ணாங்கன்னு சொல்றீங்க. எப்படி வின் பண்றது, ஹவு டு வின் இட், ஹவு டு ப்ரிப்பேர் அவர் செல்ஸ், இல்லை வாட் இஸ் த பர்பஸ் ஆஃப் காம்படிஷன், இதெல்லாத்தையும் பற்றி தான் இப்போ பேச போகிறோம். ஸோ மெயின் திங் இஸ் காம்படிஷன் இல்லை பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு உங்களுக்கு ஸ்கில் இருக்கா இல்லையா அப்படின்றத விட கட்ஸ் இருக்கான்றது ரொம்ப முக்கியம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் யூ நீட் டு ஜாயின் இன் ஆல் தி காம்படிஷன்ஸ். ஒரு காம்படிஷன் வருது அப்படின்னா அதில் நீங்கள் வின் பண்ணுவோமா இல்லையா அப்படின்றத பார்க்கறதுக்கு முன்னாடி முதல்ல அதை நீங்கள் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ லெட் us மேக் யூஸ் ஆஃப் திஸ் Hackett CAT internal coding competition to as a first step in competitions. So இங்கே முதல்ல நீங்க பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணி காம்படிஷன் எப்படி இருக்கும், ஹவு கோடிங் காம்படிஷன் ஒரு ஹேக்கத்தான் வில் பி, ஹவு ப்ராப்ளம் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் வில் பி, ஹவு டு ஐடென்டிஃபை ப்ராப்ளம், ரைட் ப்ராப்ளம் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் ஃபார் அஸ், அண்ட் ஹவு டு இன்டர்பிரட் த ப்ராப்ளம் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்ஸ். இதுக்கெல்லாம் ஒரு எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இருந்தால் மட்டும்தான் உங்களால் அடுத்த காம்படிஷன் வின் பண்ண முடியும். For all the first years, you might not have a awareness about coding skills and all. Python நீங்க first yearல first termல படிச்சிருப்பீங்க, but you may not sure how much of knowledge you have or how much of problem solving skills you have to take the competitions and all. But to develop your skill, competitions are very very important. இப்போ நீங்க அடுத்து என்ன படிக்கணும், உங்களோட ஸ்கில் செட் எந்த லெவலுக்கு இருக்கு, நீங்க உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்ச பைத்தானை வச்சு உங்களால காம்படிஷன் அட்டென்ட் பண்ண முடியுமா முடியாதா அப்படின்றது நீங்க எப்படி தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம்னா பை டேக்கிங் பார்ட் இன் திஸ் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் காம்படிஷன்ஸ், ரைட்? ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும்னா இந்த காம்படிஷனுக்கு ரிஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணி ஜஸ்ட் கோ வித் த காம்படிஷன். யூ கேனாட் வின் சின்ஸ் திஸ் இஸ் த வெரி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் காம்படிஷன். டெஃபினெட்லி யூ கேனாட் வின். ஃபார் எவ்ரி காம்படிஷன் நீங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் காம்படிஷன் அட்டென்ட் பண்ணும்போது உங்களால வின் பண்றதுக்கு வாய்ப்பே கிடையாது. பட் யூ வில் கெட் an experience on how to crack it, how to go with the competition, how to win it. So all these winners we have joined here or the losers once upon a time. The very first competition they lost it. நீங்க இன்னைக்கு கோடிங் ஸ்கில்ஸை டெவலப் பண்ணிக்கணும் அப்படின்னா ஃபார் எவ்ரிபடி, நாட் ஒன்லி ஃபார் கம்ப்யூட்டர் சயின்ஸ் ஆர் ஐடி ரிலேட்டட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், ஃபார் எவ்ரிபடி, ஈவன் மெக்கானிக்கல் இன்ஜினியரிங் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் நீட் டு நோ அபவுட் கோடிங் ஸ்கில்ஸ், ஆப் டெவலப்மெண்ட் எப்படி, வெப் டெவலப்மெண்ட் எப்படி அப்படின்ற விஷயங்கள்லாம் கண்டிப்பா எல்லாருக்குமே தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும். ஸோ அப்போ எல்லாருமே அந்த ஸ்கில்ஸை நீங்க டெவலப் பண்ணிக்கணும்னா த பெஸ்ட் மெத்தட் இஸ் டு கோ வித் காம்படிஷன்ஸ். ஸோ உங்களுக்கு குளோபலா எக்கச்சக்கமான காம்படிஷன்ஸ், லாட் ஆஃப் காம்படிஷன்ஸ் ஆர் ஹேப்பனிங் டெய்லி. இல்ல இன்னைக்கு வந்து ரெக்ரூட்மெண்ட், தர் இஸ் கேம்பஸ் ரெக்ரூட்மெண்ட்டே வந்து காம்படிஷன்ஸ் மூலமா தான் நடக்குது. நம்ம அதை பத்தி நிறைய பேசியிருப்போம் ஆல்ரெடி. இல்ல டிசிஎஸ் கோட் பீட்டா, டிசிஎஸ் நிஞ்சா அண்ட் டெக்ஜிஎம், இன்ஜினியம், இது மாதிரி எக்கச்சக்கமான காம்படிஷன்ஸ் நடந்துகிட்டே இருக்கு. அந்த மாதிரி காம்படிஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம் நீங்க பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் காம்படிஷன்னா என்ன, எப்படி இருக்குன்றது நீங்க முதல்ல எக்ஸ்ப்ளோர் பண்ணணும். For that particular purpose, we are organizing this competition internally. So இங்க இருக்கக்கூடிய இந்த காம்படிஷன் நீங்க வீட்ல இருந்து எடுக்க போறீங்க, ஆன்லைன்ல தான் எடுக்க போறீங்க. இல்ல nothing you are going to lose by taking part in this competition. Only thing you will be getting a very good experience on how to crack it. ஒரு காம்படிஷன் எப்படி இருக்கும், how the problem statements, how the evaluation process will be, இது எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஒரு எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸா இந்த ஹேக்கர் சிஏடி இருக்கும், ரைட்? To have a clear walkthrough about Hacker CAT, let me invite Ganesh Ramkumar, the gang leader.
Yes, sir.
Hacker CAT la nama enna panna porom Ganesh, just share about it.
Okay, sir. So Hacker CIT hackathon is a coding competition. It's நம்ம காலேஜ்ல கண்டக்ட் பண்றோம் இது. So first thing you தெரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டிய விஷயம் என்னன்னா, it's a solo event. Okay, so you are gonna each one of you are going to participate as solo participants, and it's only for students of Tertiary Institute of Technology. You're not competing with anyone outside our college. You're competing only with your friends and all the more. And the other important thing is that it's not only limited for first years or only for CSC or IT people. It's for everyone. It's for all the departments and it's for all the years. So you can encourage all of them to join the competition and participate, so that you will also have a good competition, a good competitors to fight with, and it will also be good exposure, because we are hosting this competition. The main focus behind all of this is to give you a real-time exposure of how competitions are held and what you can expect from these competitions in a safer environment. So this being an internal competition, you have a lot of freedom to experiment with your ideologies, experiment with your codes, experiment with your languages that you have been working on. So say you have been learning about Python for the past 2 months and you want to test your skills in Python. So this will be a great opportunity to do that. So this is an entirely coding competition. So it will be based on problem solving and data structures and algorithms, but nothing too complex or too fancy. We'll be going in 3 levels, and I'll explore more about these the rules and guidelines of the competition shortly as we go through the event. So that's about Hack It. It's a very organic competition in order to culture our own skills more than anything else.
Okay, Ganesh. But is this competition is suitable for first year students?
Yes, sir, definitely. So this competition may sound high responsibility or something that you need a lot of experience to participate in, but it's not like that. This is a competition to get that experience, right? So all the first years should definitely participate in this competition, especially because you can gain that experience of how a competition will be, and also the questions are not going to be very high level or stuff. You are already learning Python in your first year, and that should be really helpful to solve the problems. There are going to be 3 levels of the competition, and if you know the basics, right, just the basics, you can pass at least the first or two levels of competition can be easily passed. So it will be worth an exposure for the first years.
Okay, thank you, Ganesh.
Yes.
Rahul,
Yes,
can
sir.
you share your experience on competitions and your advices for the younger generation to take part in Hacker Seed?
Yeah, of course, sure, sir. Sir, am I audible at first?
Yeah, you're audible.
Yes, sir. So, at first, a very good morning to all, and you guys please feel comfortable with us. And இப்போ என்னோட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயர் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் எப்படி இருந்ததுன்னா, ஸோ அட் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் I was not aware of these kind of competitions at first, and when I put into the college, so I got to know how to participate in these hackathons and how these hackathons. The Mumbai Finacathon அப்படின்னு ஒன்று வந்தது. So I started with an idea. So it was an idea presentation round. So and then there came Rajasthan DG first. So in case if you are having a good idea, we can get the same idea for a lot of competitions, and then you can get selected in all those competitions. So எனக்கு வந்து the ரெண்டு offer கிடைச்சது. So I heard that for Rajasthan hackathon, the government is offering the all payments. I mean, they are reimbursing the money for all of our travels and all. So I felt like this is a kind of college tour. So I went with my friends. So நாங்க அங்க போனோம். So our mindset was like first year நம்ம mindset எப்படி இருக்கும், it should be like we need to have fun in our college and we need to have fun with our friends. So அந்த ஒரு mindsetல தான் போனோம். But when I was going there at start itself, I saw many people there. So they were from various India, and they were at first itself they were guideline for how many runs of what is that actually evaluation is there and all these kind of things. So எங்களுக்கு ஒரு seriousness வந்தது. So okay, நம்ம இப்படிதான் இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு, and then என்ன பண்ணோம்னா, so we settled at first, and then we started the things. So அப்படிதான் இருந்தது first competition, but we were unable to do anything properly there, but we came out with a seriousness about competitions. And then we formed a team in college. So எனக்கு ஒரு juniors gang வந்து, so like with friends, and also my friends were there to form a team, and then நாங்க local competitionsல எல்லாம் participate பண்ணோம். Local competitions அப்படின்னா the hackathons which are happening around our college, like சென்னையிலே பாத்தீங்கன்னா நீங்க I think you will not be aware of this kind of competition. So many hackathons are happening in the local region. So me, Vignesh from CSC, Amrit, Innor Vignesh, and then we went as a team and we went there. But in this time also, we were not aware of most of the things, but we had an idea of how to present and what to do. But the problem there was like we were all in the same stack. So எங்களுக்கு எல்லாருக்குமே வந்து ஒரே kind of technologies தான் தெரிஞ்சது. So we went there and we worked as a team, but somehow we were in a same stage, like integration லாம் பண்ண முடியல. So we felt so sad about that, and then we came to know இன்னொரு team actually they became a friend of us, and they were saying like only 2 of them work as a developer, and then another one is working as an integrator. So அங்கதான் வந்து நாங்க என்ன கத்துக்கிட்டோம்னா, okay, so வந்து ஒரு டீம்னு ஃபார்ம் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா there will not be any need like all has to know about all the skills. Like ஒருத்தவங்க உனக்கு தெரிஞ்சாலே போதும், we can easily crack the competition அப்படின்னு. So அங்கேயும் கொஞ்சம் seriousness வந்து, so we decided that we need to crack at least one competition with this 4 years அப்படின்னு டிசைட் பண்ணிட்டு so I started taking up a domain and I started working in mobile application development. I fixed with that. Somehow I was also working in the website development and server side development, but still I was focused only on mobile application development. And also I suggested my teammates to work in some other in other technology. So and then next வந்து ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ் அப்படின்லாம் போனப்போ இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் ஸ்கில்ஸ் கெயின் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சோம். ஸோ தென் வந்து நாங்கள் கோட் கிளாடியேட்டர் அப்படின்னு ஒரு காம்படிஷன் இருக்கும், டெக்ஜிக் கோட் கிளாடியேட்டர். ஸோ இட் இஸ் ஹேப்பனிங் ஆன் எவரி இயர். ஸோ தே ஆர் ஹேவிங் எ லாட் ஆஃப் டொமைன்ஸ் ஃபார் ஒர்க்கிங் இன். அண்ட் அங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா த இனிஷியல் ரவுண்ட் வில் பி த கோடிங் ரவுண்ட். So you can format, you should individually like you need to crack up the coding round. There will be 2 coding problem statements and you can code in any problem, any language. And then after cracking that, then you will be allowed to take part in multiple choice questions. So in the multiple choice questions, it will not be like much hard that can be asked from there. So you can easily crack the multiple questions there, and then you will be allowed to form a team. So we were around a team of 3 members per team. So and then we started working in a domain. There are a lot of domains. So the first is if you are interested in working with any kind of blockchain or AI, ML, so you can form a team and then you can enroll in that, form a team and enroll in any teams there. And then the round will be like a full stack development round. You can start coding there, but before coding, you need to plan up the things like who are going to take the responsibilities and all. So we started working on that and we developed a prototype and then we submitted there, and there will be a leaderboard and you will be allotted a member in that. So we became the top 10 members at first, and then it was like I have seen that from Mumbai and from Gujarat, many team members were actively involving in that and they were coming up in the leaderboard. So naanga enna pannona, and then we started improving the things, and then again naanga leaderboard update and the mari we did, and then finally we were invited for Mumbai. We were invited to Mumbai. Actually that was a geo IT pass, and over there we learned in like Google and who were doing interns in Google. So அவங்க கிட்ட பேசும்போது இன்னும் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் வந்தது. ஸோ இட் மேட் அஸ் டு ஃபீல் லைக் வி நீட் டு அச்சீவ் மோர், அண்ட் தேர் ஆர் and then there came the SH competition. So but we had a lot of seriousness there, but somehow the competition was actually getting skipped frequently, like it was getting postponed frequently. Somehow we lost our interest, but finally it was finalized on a date, and I walked with my team members like Vignesh, Amrit, Zenith, who is being the host of this session, and somehow we cracked up that. Initially we like the competition was on August, but we started working on from September 20. Within 10 days we made each member, and then we started working there. And in my team actually we had a lot of members with different stack knowledges. It was not like the same people, like different people are having the knowledge on same stack, and that is how we cracked the round. And yeah, and also regarding, so in case if you are from different streams, so ninga vandu coding important illa nanapinga, but I know about my friends like 1 second. So that's it, I will continue with that. So Ganesh.
Hi. So thank you Rahul for sharing your experiences. So now
I have a question, Ganesh. To everyone, I think Vignesh also joined now. Vignesh, are you there? Yeah, Vignesh is representing third year. He's also
yes, sir.
A great person, great winner, and doing a lot of projects. But I wanted to throw a question to everyone, even with Zenith and Bala as well. நம்ம இது வரைக்கும் பேசுனதுல பார்த்தா இந்த காம்படிஷன் வெறும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயருக்கு மட்டும் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி இருக்கு. அப்படியா? Is it only for first years? What is the role of second year and third year students, and how they can take part in this competition?
No, no. So this is an open competition for all the years, and not only all the years, it's for all the departments too. So as Rahul also told, it's not like if you're not a part of CSE or circuit branches, you should not be participating in coding competition, because coding is an integral part of any industry now. So we feel that this competition is going to give exposure to the basics of coding. We're not doing anything complicated. So it's ideal for all the departments and all the years too. There are a lot of people from even second and third years who haven't participated in their first competitions, or been too focused on academics so far, and they're also in the verge of placements, right? So the third years and second years are again stepping into their trainings. So this coding competition will help them to test their skills and also be ready for their placements and the presentations that they're going to be doing shortly. So yeah, it's for all the years and all the departments.
All the departments, yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. And Vignesh, you have some extraordinary background. Some robots are there. You belongs to CSE department and you work with robotics. What is it? What are you doing there? Can you explain about your current project?
So
But
hi
short and
everyone.
sweet. Short and sweet. Okay.
So hi everyone. So this is Vignesh from Computer Science department. So I'm third year student. So currently I'm in Industrial Automation Lab. So we are doing some 2-3 projects for Accenture right now. So it's already been more than 10 projects that we are doing Accenture projects. So இது எல்லாத்துக்குமே ஆரம்பம் எங்கன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா காலேஜ்ல வந்துட்டு நான் சரி இந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட் ஓகே. So this project is what we are doing is related to fencing. So fencing is a sport where a person has to hit some targets and he has to score and win against the other opponent. It's like a SWAT fight. பட் அது வந்து மேல வந்து ஒரு பட்டன் மாதிரி இருக்கும். அதுல வந்து கரெக்டான ப்ரெஷர்ல எது ஆப்போனண்டோட வெஸ்ட்ல வந்து கரெக்டா அடிச்சுன்னா அதுல பாயிண்ட்ஸ் வரும். ஸோ வி ஆர் ஆட்டோமேட்டிங் தி ப்ராசஸ். ஸோ இதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ரியல் டைம்ல தேர் இஸ் நோ எக்யூப்மெண்ட் டு ப்ராக்டிஸ் தி ரைட் டார்கெட்ஸ் இன் தேர் ஹோம். ஸோ அதுவும் இந்த லாக்டவுன்ல they just have a pillow and they just hit the targets right away and
Yeah, okay, Vignesh. Sorry for the interruption. I want to know what is your role there. It is something about hardware and automation kind of thing, but நீங்க என்ன பண்றீங்க as a computer science student?
Sir, so as a computer science student, so இதுல வந்துட்டு ஆப்ல வந்து டேட்டா அனலிட்டிக்ஸ் பண்ணணும். அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து ஆப்ல வந்து ஸோ எல்லாமே ஆப் கம்யூனிகேஷன். ஸோ ஒரு ட்ரெயினர் வந்து ஆப் மூலியமா வந்து என்னெல்லாம் டார்கெட்ஸ் இது பண்ணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு மார்க் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ ஸ்டூடெண்ட் வந்து ஹார்ட்வேர்ல அதை அந்த டார்கெட்ஸ்ல ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு அந்த டேட்டா அனலிட்டிக்ஸ்ல எந்த பாயிண்ட்ஸ் எத்தனை பாயிண்ட்ஸ் கரெக்டா அடிச்சிருக்காங்க, எந்த பாயிண்ட்ஸ் தப்பா அடிச்சிருக்காங்க, என்ன ப்ரெஷர்ல அடிச்சிருக்காங்க, எவ்வளவு டைம்ல அடிச்சிருக்காங்க. ஸோ இது எல்லாமே வந்து ஒரு டேட்டா அனலிட்டிக்ஸ் மாதிரி போட்டு ஸோ இதுல வந்துட்டு சர்வர் சைடும் நான் தான் எழுதுறேன், ஆப் 2 ஆப்பும் நான் தான் எழுதுறேன்.
Okay, so you're taking care of software kind of thing. So who are all your teammates? உங்களோட டீம்மேட்ஸ்ல எந்த டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்ல இருக்காங்க?
ஸோ என் பக்கத்துல ஒரு மெக்கட்ரானிக்ஸ் பையன் உட்காந்துருக்கான். ஒரு மெக்கட்ரானிக்ஸ் இசிஇ அண்ட் தென் 2 மெக்கானிக்கல் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். ஸோ எல்லாருமே சேர்ந்து மெக்கானிக்கல் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் will design the hardware, mechatronics and EC students will give connections and take care of the circuitry parts, and I'll be taking care of server and app project.
Yeah. So that's the point. So since the mechanical and mechatronics EC student, that is your teammates don't know anything about that, is not having clear idea about app development and server side scripting, you are there, right?
Yes, sir.
So coding is this is a very standing example. Coding is essential for all the department. That is not only for computer science or IT student. எல்லாருக்குமே computer coding தேவை. That is why in the competition எல்லா டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்டுக்கும் ஓபன் ஆப் இருக்கும். Not only this competition, anyone can take any kind of coding competition. That is very, very essential and it is a need of the hour now. Okay. So Bala, can you give a walkthrough of this competition in the Hackett CET? இதுல என்ன பண்ணணும்? What is the next step? நம்ம நிறைய சொல்லிட்டோம், எல்லாருக்கும் காம்படிஷன் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் சொல்லிட்டோம், எல்லாரும் எடுக்க போறாங்க. எப்படி என்ன பண்ணணும், எப்படி ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணணும், how to take this competition, what is just give a glimpse about it.
Okay, so this is, as we told earlier, this solo coding competition. Let me walk through about the structure of the competition. So this competition has 3 levels of coding. So level 1, anyone who registered can participate and take part. It will be a 3-hour long competition. You will be given 5 problem statements, and 5 problem statements will be of different difficulty levels. You will be getting 2 easy problems, like very simple problems, and then the next two will be like quite increasing difficulty like this. So each problems will be having different points. Like if you solve an easy problem, you'll be getting 10 points. If you solve a medium problem, you might get 15 points like this. So according to the problems you solved and the number of problems you solved, you'll be obtaining points, and there will be a leaderboard available. So within the 3 hours, at the end of 3 hours, we'll be evaluating the leaderboard, and we'll be checking some other parameters like efficiency, like time efficiency and space efficiency, like that, all those things. Second is and third is, if you're aware about time efficiency, and then things so. So the top 100 from that leaderboard will be shortlisted for second round. So level 2 will be happening after 2 or 3 days after level 1. So because in the meantime we'll be processing and analyzing the results. In the level 2 is a contender level. Again, this will also having a 3 hour long and 5 problem statements. Here the problem statement difficulty may be, you will be getting only one easy problem, because this is a level 2, because you have solved like 5 problems there and moved on to the next level, so difficulty is increasing. We are having 3 medium problems and 1 hard problem. So again, this will also have a similar things. In the meantime of 3 hours, you can make any number of submissions. You can make even if you make wrong submissions, then you will not be having any penalties or anything. You can make any number of submissions until you get a final right answer. So from here, if you solve the problems within 3 hours, the top 10 participants. So first you shortlisted top 100. Now we are shortlisting top 10 participants. From the 100, we'll be moving on to the finale. The finale will also be after 3 days. So this is also a 3 hour long competition, but this will not have an easy problem. This will be having 2 medium and 2 hard, because this is finals and the 2 medium and 2 hard. Here you will be having a penalty for a wrong submission. You can make any number of submissions, but if you will be having 1 penalty for 1 wrong submissions, because since we are final, we have to make it quite harder so that it will be easy for us to evaluate if we make any wrong submissions. So that's why we added penalties. So likewise, at the end of 3 hours, after solving, the top 3 participants will be awarded accordingly. The the winner will be awarded with 10,000 rupees cash prize, and then the second runner will be awarded with 5,000, and the first runner will be awarded 5,000. Second runner will be awarded 3,000 rupees. These are the project competition structure.
Okay, Bala. See, problem statements on solro. When can we see the problem statements? You get the problem statements. As a participant, there is Kickstart. We are going to do it on 17th. Yeah. So 17th is a problem statement release, or else can I have a look at the problem statement before that?
No, you cannot look at the coding competitions problem statements before the competition starts. Only at the 3 hour window you can look at the problem statements. But you can have a look at mock-up problem statement, like example problem statement. How questions will be, how sample questions will be, how we'll be evaluating all those things. You can have a look at. Actually, this competition is being held in a HackerRank platform. For those of you who don't know, HackerRank is a coding platform where you can learn, can participate in competitions, like coding competitions, can learn to code, and you can win prize, like participate and win prizes. We are conducting a private competition over that platform. So if you don't have an account, you can go into the hackerrank.com. Let me share my screen so that you can see. Is my screen visible?
Yeah. It's visible.
Yeah.
Bala.
So if you go to hackerrank.com, you'll be treated with the dashboard, the home page. If you don't have an account, you can. So those who don't have an account, you can go and sign up here. Can create an account. It is free to create an account. Once you create an account.
Bala, sorry for the interruption, Bala. Please close your browser and open from this patch.
Okay.
Because many people are very new to HackerRank, so they don't know how to log into that. What is the website? How can they create an account? So please give a complete walkthrough.
Yes, sir. Sure.
And meanwhile, in the competition participate பண்ண எந்த programming language use பண்ணலாம்? What are all the programming languages are eligible to take part in that? Bala, you please prepare your screen. Others can answer.
Yes, sir. So you can participate in the competition in any programming language. So the focus is on the problem rather than the language that you're going to use. So there is a wide set of languages that you can, almost all the languages that you can use to code the problem solving. So most of you would be using Python, C, C++, Java, even PHP or JavaScript. Any of these languages is supported, and even more. So virtually every programming language is supported, so you can code any programming language. The main focus is that you need to solve the problem and get the desired outcome.
Okay, thank you. Bala, you please carry on.
Okay, so if you do not have an account, it will be treated as a home page like that. You have to go to to see the address bar, you can see hackerrank.com. This is the URL, this is the home page will be treated with. As you can see in the start, there are two kinds of login, for companies and for developers. As I said earlier, there will be a lot of companies hiring based on coding competition. So if a company wants to hire, they can hire from here also. So we are a developer, so we are gonna sign up here. So if you go to this, if you click the sign up for developers, you'll be treated with the sign up page. You can give your names and then email ID and create a password, and then click create an account. You'll be sent a verification email. Once you verify, you can log in here. So if you go to login, I'm logging. Or else, if you don't want to give a password like email ID and password, you can also log in with Facebook or Google or LinkedIn or GitHub, anything which is comfortable with you. I'm just signing in with my Google account. So I came in and will be taken to the dashboard. At the top right corner, if you see, you'll be having your profile and everything. This is your HackerRank username. You can change it later in the settings if you wish to. It will be providing a default username for you. So what is HackerRank? I told earlier, like you can practice, you can participate in competition. You can practice and participate in competition. So if you see, there is a lot of skills to practice. You can see algorithm, you can see languages, Python, C++, even artificial intelligence, SQL. SQL is a database. Everything is here. They also provide an interview preparation case, like how will the interview experience be like that. It has a lot of things where you can learn and then practice and everything. So if you go, we'll be having each types of questions. This is C++. So this is how a question will be. There will be some kind of problem statement, there will be some kind of story in the first. Hello Ganesh, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah, you're audible, Bala.
There's a problem statements here, like there will be different types of problem statements, and the problem statement difficulty will be here. It mentioned this problem statement is easy, and the score for solving this problem statement is 10. So likewise, there are many problem statements. You'll be given what are the inputs and what are the outputs, and then explanation. Like there'll be some examples. So they'll be giving how to solve the problem. And then if you come down there, you'll be provided with a code editor. This is where you should type a code. So in that code editor, you can have any kind of language. You can see this every language is listed here. C, C++, and then Java, PHP, Python, even every language is listed here. Whatever you're comfortable with, you can change the language and start coding, write coding and everything. And then if you run the code, and then if you can submit the code and run the code and do everything. This is how the interface will be. Here is where you will be also having the competitions. So this is where how you practice. You can go into practice and then choose any kind of topics you want to practice and do stuff. If you want to participate in any kind of competitions held by HackerRank, you can go into the compete tab up there. So these are the contests. This is the live contest going on. This is the past contest that conducted by HackerRank. Similarly, so if you go on to jobs tab, you can see the lot of companies hiring and everything. So it's HackerRank is an all-in-one place for to learn things, to participate in competitions and learn stuff. I think everyone would have got a clear idea of what a HackerRank is and how to create an account and use it.
Yes, Bala, it's very clear. Thanks for the detailed walkthrough on HackerRank. But people actually want to know how to prepare themselves for Hacker CET. You told about the generalized preparation of about competitions. In the Hacker CET, eppadi prepare pannanom? Because many people are very new to competitions. Even second year, third year students also very new. So eppadi நம்ம அவங்க prepare பண்ணனும்? What are all the tools they need to learn?
You do not have any tool. Like the basic thing you need to know, you have to first choose a language. Like to participate in the competition, you find which language you're comfortable with. Like a Python or C++, etc. If you do not have any language right now you're comfortable with, what language should I go with? I would suggest Python because it is a beginner-friendly language and it is easy to learn. But you can go with any languages. So, and first learn the basics of the language, like each language, how the syntaxes of the language, and how to write a functions and everything. There are a lot of websites like SoloLearn and even HackerRank. If I show the HackerRank, there's a section called Python to learn. So if you go there,
Yeah.
If you go there in the Python section, it will be any language. So I'm choosing Python because it's a user-friendly. It will be starting with very basic, like how to print a statement and then how to use a conditional operators. It starts from basic things and goes up to like hoops and every concept. So you can go to like this is one example, HackerRank, where you can learn. There is another website called SoloLearn. There also you can learn Python and a lot of stuff, lot of languages there.
And while we're at languages, I will also like to tell about one other website called LearnXL.
Ganesh, you are not audible.
Ganesh, you're not audible.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
So yeah, I was talking about this website called LearnX in Y minutes. So which is a website where it's not especially to learn a new language, but it's to revise the language that you know. Say for example, you're already good with Python or C++, but just want to recap all the concepts that you know in that language. You can head here, and you will have a very very short and brief explanation of all the language semantics, the data types, how the syntax works, all of those things in a very very short and concise way. So this will help you to prepare. Like if you're before the competition, you can head here, revise the language that you know, and then come back to the competition and participate. So this for the language part. So, yeah.
So okay, now that the competition starts in 17, so you have 2 weeks. So choose a language and learn the basics of any language, like learn the basics of any language, and then try to solve some problems. Like try to go to the past competitions held by HackerRank or like CodeChef, like Hacker. Go anywhere and try to solve simple problem statements. Some simple problem statements will be involving arrays or like a conditional operators. Very simple. So start from basics and then move up the ladder so that you can get a experience. You might not solve the problem. So if you hit any roadblock, just Google it. What do you need? So this is the problem I have, and I don't know how to solve. So I can Google the problem statements. Stack Overflow is a very good place to get your problems, like the doubts to solve. You can also reach us. Your seniors are here to help you at any time. You can reach a staff and take help from anyone. We are here to help. So you can ask any doubts, any suggestions, so that we can help you and guide you through this process and get you through the competition.
Yeah. Thank you, Bala. See, while it comes to preparation, we have another doubt. We have a lot of students from biology background. So how a biology student can prepare, or whether it is possible to prepare themselves for a competition and all that. We have a few biology students also in the media. Zenith, I think you are from biology, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You please summarize your hackathon experience in a very short way, and how a biology student can prepare themselves for hackathon. Please summarize it.
Actually, I'm not only a biology student, I'm also a NEET aspirant. So at first I thought coding was like I was seeing this Japanese movie without this subtitles. It was like that. So I thought this coding, it won't suit me well. At first it was like that. Then I got guidance from my seniors and my faculties as well, and I started giving this a try. And I got this opportunity of getting into this hackathon also. So in this hackathon, when I saw my teammates, they were like they used to work from the morning until the next morning, like around 3 a.m. and 4 a.m. They used to work like that. So after seeing that, I started, and even I want to give my best in that too. So what I did is simultaneously I started working with them. So I started to learn the flow. HackerRank was the Smart India Hackathon, SAH, sorry. SAH was the platform. Actually, it helped me to step into this coding thing. So that is where I started learning this coding, and I used various websites, because it is not only from the faculty's help. We need to step in, and we need to take our first step and do our best. So I started trying everything. I started trying every platforms, and I started learning coding by myself, because we have to have our self-interest in order to do certain things. So it doesn't mean if you're from a biology background or a different biomax or some other different things, it doesn't matter. It's your choice of interest. So if you have the interest, you can crack everything.
Yeah, super, Sinath. See, here for taking this hackathon, not only this, for taking part in any kind of coding competition, there is no barricades. Whether you're from a computer science background or biology background or Tamil Nadu student or IAP student, nothing matters. If you have interest, definitely we can succeed. And nowadays, learning a code is very, very essential for everyone. Even a biology student, biomedical engineering student, or a mechanical engineer, mechatronics, computer science, IT, CSE, ECE, everybody needs to learn how to code, because even in our day-to-day life, we are using all the devices controlled by a mobile app. So everything is connected to IoT or mobile app or a kind of internet. So we need to learn coding to the code. And to learn a code, competitions are the best way. Okay, so if you have interest, only your interest matters. If you have interest, we are here to help you. You can you already many of you are already connected with your seniors like this, Rahul, Ganesh. Even I can see in the chat box, many people are greeting Rahul, Bala, and Ganesh, because they are already connected with the other seniors as well. And I'm also connected with many students. So we are here to help you. If you have interest, that's enough. We will teach you. We will train you how to go for a competition, how to train yourself. Everything will be taken care by us. For any kind of queries or doubts, or how to prepare yourself or anything else, you feel free to contact any of the seniors or even me. Right? And Ganesh, can you post the registration link of Hacker CET in the chat box?
Yes, sir. I just posted it. It's also the sticky message at the top, so you can see.
It is in the sticky message. Yeah. Please do take that link and register yourself. And already we have shared the rules and regulations also in the chat box. Ganesh, please paste the rules and regulation link once again, so that others can have a look. Yeah. And guys, we are planning to have a mock test for this hackathon, because many people don't know how a problem statement will look alike, and how to crack the problem statement. And also, we are planning to have two or three brainstorming sessions We will take some sample problem statement and we will teach you how to crack it, how to code it, and how to finish it. So don't worry about you're a fresher and how to take a competition for the first time. We will train you in all aspects. Okay, so we are planning to have a 2 or 3 brainstorming session. Please do join that session to know how to crack a problem statement. Problem statement எப்படி இருக்கும், அதை எப்படி crack பண்ணலாம், அதை எப்படி எடுத்து work பண்ணோம்னா நம்ம final output கொண்டு வரலாம், and how to optimize your output. Everything will be taught during the brainstorming session. And after the brainstorming session, we'll have a preliminary, zeroth round. That means that round will not taken into the consideration. That is nobody will be the winner. There will not be any elimination in that round. That is only a kind of mock test or mock competition, so that we will give some sample problem statements with the equal difficulty of the real problem statements. Okay? So you can have an experience. That is, in the Hacker CET competition, உங்களுக்கு ஒரு experience கொடுக்கிறதுக்காக தான் பண்றோம். பட் அதுல ஒரு experience கிடைக்கிறதுக்கு இன்னொரு preliminary mock competition நம்ம பண்ண போறோம். So please do join us and tune yourself to take part in competitions.
Yes.
So let's take this competition as the first step towards your competition.
True.
And to add with we have 3 final year students here and 2 third year students. These 3 final year students are already placed. But how they got placed? Ganesh, நீங்க எப்படி எத்தனை கம்பெனில பிளேஸ் ஆனீங்க, எப்படி பிளேஸ் ஆனீங்க?
So I placed from the college as a campus drive. So
is it through a drive or a competition?
I have offers from 2 offers from competitions and 2 offers from the drive too, sir.
Okay, please narrate about competition. What competitions you are?
So first competition is the TCS one, Code Beta. So TCS Code Beta is an annual competition that they conduct for all the coders, and that's a similar competition like what we are doing here. So coding competition, it also has about 3 levels, and each level it goes on with increasing difficulty. And those who perform well, not necessarily win the competition. You don't even have to win the competition. You just have to perform well even in any of the stages. Like even if you perform well in the level 1, you are eligible to get a job offer from TCS. So on the basis, I got an offer from TCS for the Ninja role through Code Beta. So that's one.
Okay, what is the other offer through competition?
And the other competition was a different genre. That was in WebAR. I was working on WebAR, and there was a competition for building a 3D application in the web. And because of that, I got an offer from a company called Ronin Labs, which is a Pune-based startup who are working on bringing augmented reality to, advertisements and social media campaigning. So I got a job offer from them, and I also did an intern with them, where I developed a product for OnePlus, an advertisement for OnePlus. And so that's another job offer that I hold, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Best wishes, Ganesh. Rahul, just narrate about your offers based on competition.
I have one offer from Campus Placement Drive, and another one from, after winning SH, I got an opportunity to take part in Persistent Campus Hiring Program. So I have one from Campus Drive and another one from this competition.
Yeah, that's fine. Rahul. And Bala, it's your turn now.
Yeah, okay. I also have 4 offers from the company, 2 from College Campus Drive and then 2 from competition. The one from competition is the TCS Code Beta. And TCS Code Beta, if you clear like a round 1 qualifier, they'll be, if you're in final year, they'll be calling you for an interview, like TCS Ninja and TCS Digital are the 2 offers. We have been shortlisted for TCS Ninja. Not only like me and Ganesh, and then there is a lot of guys like Vimalesh is also from our batch. He got this for digital also. Like first he got this. There are 2 levels. First they select you for Ninja, and then they'll be keeping you another test for digital. Like digital is a higher salary package. So this one is Vimalesh got selected for the digital package, and then the another competition is Infosys. Like Infosys conducted an Infinity Group test, and then me and Surya, one of our friends, we 2 went through the final interview and got an offer. So the 2 campus interview offers are from Car Technologies and Accenture.
Wow, that's great. So from this, one thing is very clear. If you took part in as many competitions, you will be getting a good experience. And in the competition, winning only doesn't matter. If you are able to perform well, you will be getting an offer. And because of the knowledge you acquired through competitions, you can get other offers as well. Okay. And Ganesh and Bala, I have you both are from TCS Ninja CodeVita something. How many times you attended TCS CodeVita?
Like we attended CodeVita every year. It's a yearly competition.
All 4
we participated every year. Like participated 4 times. Like the first year, I didn't even crack. The level 1 has a 6 problem statements. Like we have 5 problem statements in the racket. They have 6 problem statements, and then there won't be any easy problems. Everyone will be like medium and hard problems. Like first year, we didn't even know how to solve one single problem. Like we were like, it's a 6 hour long window. So 24-hour window, you can take any 6 hour based on your comfort. So how to solve this? We didn't know. We are linking at the problem statement. So just randomly circling through every problem statement. Which one is easy? Which one is easy? Even I Google the problem statement. Can I find a solution? But no, you cannot find a solution for TCS CodeVita online before the competition. So that was the first year. Went so bad. And then second year I participated. I managed to solve one problem statement. Even that one problem statement also, I had an error. Problem works. There is an optimization problem. I had an optimization problem. We know what is optimization and efficiency. So I called my senior. So, bro, I solved this problem, but I don't know how to optimize it. This was a problem. He told me, he gave me a suggestion, change a small thing here and there, so it will work. So I made changes according to his suggestions. So and it worked. Boom! I solved a problem statement, and I moved on to the if you solve any one problem statement in qualifier, we'll be moving on to the next level, in qualifier. So this is how my second year went. And third year I solved 2 problem statements. I solved 2 problem statements. Since which means third year the competition held in the month of May and July. I registered in third year, but since I moved on to final year, they called me for an interview. I had an interview with her. That's how I was selected in the.
Yeah, that's good, Bala. See, guys, we have a good point here. First thing, if Bala and Ganesh would go for a CodeVita competition when they are in final year, that may be hard for them to crack it. Since they started doing it right from the first year, they already had a lot of experience about that competition and problem statements and other things. So they are able to make it by 4th year. Okay, and basically most of the hiring coding competition, that is CodeVita, Ninja, all these are competitions to hire the student. So that will be conducted only for final year and the pre-final year students. But still, these guys took part when they are in first year. Okay, so whether you are winning or losing, that doesn't matter. Whether you are getting a job or not, that doesn't matter. Right from the first year, please try to experience all the competitions. Then only you can easily crack it when you are in final year. Okay, that is one point. And not only TCS CodeVita, you have to take part in all the competition, whether it is not conducted for first year and second year students. Yeah, even when you're in second year or third year, please go ahead with the competitions. Just take an experience how to crack it. Then only you can make it when you are in final year. That is, if you are good in competitions, if you wanted to be good in competitions, you need to experience it right from the first year. Right?
We had it the hard way. We had to go to the actual competitions and get the exposure. But you guys are having a lot of colleges taking a lot more initiatives now. You have all these internal hackathons and codeathons. So this is going to give you more exposure, and maybe you can even crack the CodeVita in the very first day that you're participating, based on the training that we're giving in the colleges as the in-house coding competitions and all. So this is all these efforts are ultimately for you to become better of yourself and find better placements and better skills in yourself. So make good use of it.
Yeah. So we just started for you guys. Hackett CET is a competition just to begin your competition career in competitions. But there are a lot of portals available. We already shared all those portals many times with you all. HackerRank, Hacker portals competitions. Take all the competitions. Don't worry about your ப்ரீ-ரிக்வெஸ்ட் நாலேஜ், உங்களுக்கு என்ன ஐடியா இருக்கு, என்ன நாலேஜ் இருக்கு, என்ன ஸ்கில் இருக்குன்னு யோசிக்காதீங்க. ப்ளீஸ் டேக் த காம்படிஷன்ஸ். எல்லா காம்படிஷன்ஸும் எடுக்க. த்ரூ காம்படிஷன் யூ கேன் அப்ஸ்கில் யுவர் செல்ஃப். ஒரு காம்படிஷன்ல என்ன டெக்னாலஜி கேட்குறாங்க, என்ன கோட் பண்ண சொல்றாங்க அப்படின்றத அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிட்டு ப்ரிப்பேர் யுவர் செல்ஃப் ஃபார் தட் அண்ட் கோ ஃபார் தி காம்படிஷன் ஃபார் த நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம். தென் ஒன்லி யூ கேன் ப்ரிப்பேர் யுவர் செல்ஃப் ஃபார் யுவர் கெரியர். அண்ட் எல்லா காம்படிஷன்ஸும் எடுங்க, எல்லா காம்படிஷன்ஸும் அட்டன் பண்ணுங்க. மேக் திஸ் competition, and that is Hackett CET as a first step in your competition career. Yeah. And for this competition, we are planning, I already told you, we are planning to have a brainstorming session as well, and a preliminary round, that is a mock test also. Yeah. So only your interest matters. Yeah. If you are interested in upskilling yourself, we will take you to greater heights. Okay. For any suggestion, for any queries, or any kind of support, please do contact us. Ganesh, please share our contact details in the chat box. Yeah. So don't worry about your background, whether you are from mechanical or ACE or EEE. எந்த டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்ல படிக்கிறீங்கன்றது முக்கியம் இல்லை. இங்க நான் ஒரு கேர்ள், நான் காம்படிஷன் அட்டன் பண்ணலாமா, எதுவுமே தேவையில்லை. நீங்க பயாலஜி பேக்ரவுண்டா, கம்ப்யூட்டர் சயின்ஸ் பேக்ரவுண்டா, இதுக்கு முன்னாடி எப்படி படிச்சீங்க, எதை பத்தியும் யோசிக்காதீங்க. Just ignite yourself. If you are interested, we can make it. We are here to support. Okay. Zenith, I think we can close it now. You please.
Sir, I would like to add on.
Yeah. Yes.
So இப்போ வந்து அதர் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இருப்பீங்க, லைக் மெக்கானிக்கல் ஒரு அதர் ஸ்ட்ரீம். ஸோ இன்கேஸ் நீங்கள் வந்து சேலரி பற்றி ரொம்ப கன்சர்ன்டாக இருந்தீங்கன்னா, ஐ வில் அட்வைஸ் யூ டு டேக் பார்ட் இன் திஸ் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் கோடிங் காம்படிஷன். ஸோ கோரில் போகிறது எப்போவுமே பாசிபிள் இல்லை. ஸோ லைக் வந்து மெக்கானிக்கல்ல நிறையா திங்ஸ் வந்து எவால்வ் ஆகிட்டே இருக்கனால, ஸோ we need to somehow syllabus வந்து கொஞ்சம் அவுடேட்டடாக இருக்குது. ஸோ கோரில் எல்லாராலே பிளேஸ் ஆக முடியாது. ஸோ இன்கேஸ் லைக் இஃப் யூ ஆர் வெரி மச் கன்சர்ன்ட் அபவுட் யுவர் salary, தென் ட்ரை சால்விங் these problems and then you can get into IT easily. ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பாயிண்ட் அது. செகண்ட் திங் வந்து கோடிங் காம்படிஷனில் லைக் you'll be given with a problem statement, and கோடிங் அப்படிங்கிறது ஃபைனல் பார்ட் தான். இட் இஸ் நாட் த மெயின் பார்ட் ஆக்சுவலி. ஸோ இன்கேஸ் வி ஆர் கிவன் வித் ப்ராப்ளம் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து அதை அனலைஸ் பண்ணுங்க, அண்ட் தென் ட்ரை ரன் த கோட். லைக் வந்து நார்மல் ஹியூமன் பீயிங்கா அது ஆக்சுவலி என்ன ப்ராப்ளம் எப்படி சால்வ் பண்ணலாம்னு திங்க் பண்ணுங்க, அண்ட் தென் கோ ஃபார் கோடிங். டோன்ட் கோ ஃபார் கோடிங் அட் த ஸ்டார்ட் இட், பிகாஸ் யூ வில் ஸ்டார்ட் வேஸ்டிங் யுவர் டைம். லைக் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைமே வந்து ஃபுல்லாக கோடிங்கை வந்து ப்ராப்பராக எழுத முடியாது. லைக் நீங்களே எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் பண்ணியிருப்பீங்க, ஆல்ரெடி பண்ணாங்க, நீங்கள் கோட் பண்ணுவீங்க அண்ட் தென் யூ வில் ரீரைட் த கோட். ஸோ இட் இஸ் நாட் சஜஸ்டட். ட்ரை ரன் த கோட், லைக் I'm going to get the inputs, process it, checking the conditions, and then printing the final output. So the plan pannite, then go for coding. So that's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Rahul. Anyone else want to conclude? Ganesh, Bala, want to conclude?
No, I think we are.
Yeah.
You can go for it. Yeah.
Vignesh ஏதோ சொல்ல வரான்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
No, sir, I was talking here.
Okay, guys, see you at Hackett CET.
Yes.
Yeah, guys.
Hackett CET competition la paakalam.
Yeah, I have sent again the registration links and the rules link there. So please register. It costs nothing, right? So please register. You're going to benefit a lot from this. And yeah, over to Zenith.
Yeah. Thank you all. So let's sign off.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.